Hi, my name is Rohit Sharma and I am from the BMC support team. Today, we are going to see how to use server properties to map automation principles for Windows user mapping. Consider a scenario where you have installed a RSCD agent on a Windows server. However, you have not configured any ACLs on the machine, which means BSA application server can speak to the target server, but since there is no user mapping, we cannot run any admin tasks on the server. Now, if there is only one server, you can always log into the server manually and change the ACL files. Now, if there are a lot of servers, logging manually will take a lot of time. We can save time and automate this task using automation principles. In order to do that, you would only need the password to the administrator user on those target servers. Now let's see how can we do that. I am now logged in to the BSA console as BL admins. The first task that we are going to do is to create a property. We are going to do configuration, property dictionary view, expand built-in property class, go to server, we'll create a new property. Now property class is automation principle. We'll save the property now. Now once the property is created, we'll run a USP job so that the property is reflected on all the servers. Once the job is finished, we'll see that the new property is now reflecting against the server. We have not assigned any value to the property as of now. We will now switch the role to RBAC admins and perform further tasks. I am now logged in as RBAC admins. Using this role, I will create an automation principle and then I will map the property that we created in the first step to a role using which we are going to execute our job. Now let's first create an automation principle. We will now specify the details. The principal ID is administrator in this case. Type in the password. Type the password again. Next. Will not assign any roles as of now. Finish. Now the automation principle is created. As you can see, AP_test. We'll now map the property to the role. So in this demonstration, I'm going to use the role BL admins. I have opened the role now. I'll go to the Agent ACL tab, Windows tab, and I'm going to map the automation principle to use a property that I created earlier. It was AP_test. I'll save it. And now I'll switch back to BL admins role. I am now logged in as BL admins, and this is the server against which I'm going to run push ACL. Now let's see what happens. Administration task, agent ACL, push, OK. Now you can see I am getting a permissions denied error. This is because there is no user mapping on the server. So in order to overcome this error, I am going to map the automation principle to the property created earlier. The automation principle is now mapped to the property. Let's see what happens. Let us now push ACL against the server. As you can see, the push ACL job is successful after the automation principle was mapped. So this is how we can use server properties to map automation principles for Windows user mapping. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.